hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to fix problem you see something went wrong on your phone. So actually, for fixing that, first thing, just try to check your internet connection. So just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just check updates for your system. So you just need to write settings in the search. So after, just write here software update. And here you can also just check the latest updates for your system, and if you have it, just install. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.